Question 5. Write down the coordinates of the points A, B and C shown on the grid below. So this is a 3-mark question. You have to write the coordinates of A here, that point, B here and C here. So it's 3 marks, you get 1 mark per coordinate. Coordinates are always written in brackets with a comma in between. That's already done for you, so you just have to write in the numbers. So we have 2 options here. Which one comes first, X or Y axes? A couple of ways you can remember this. You could say across the corridor and up or down the stairs. So across the corridor, so the x-axis comes first because it is across, and then up or down the stairs, the y-axis. Or you could remember it x, y, z. Obviously x comes first because x comes first in the alphabet. So now we know which order to write them in. X comes first, then y. We're going to look at writing our coordinates. So point A is here, so I'm going to go across x-axis. It is across first. Where is that point on the x-axis? It's at 7. So my first number is 7. And then up or down the stairs. Where is it on the y-axis, the vertical axis? So here is the point, here is the y-axis, it's at 2. So the first coordinate A is 7, 2. Then we have point B, x comes first, then y. Where is it on the x-axis going across? Well, here it is, at -3. And where is it up or down the stairs? On the y-axis. On the y-axis it's at -2. So we have -3, -2. Point C, x comes first, then y. Where is it on the x-axis going across the corridor? It's at 1. And where is it on the y-axis, up or down the stairs? It's at -6. Okay, so that's 1 mark per answer there. Part B says write down the coordinates of the midpoint of the line AC. So the midpoint is the halfway point, yeah, the bit in the middle. Line AC, there isn't a line AC yet, I'm going to draw one. Here's A, here's C. So I'm going to draw a line matching those points. Okay, and then I have to find exactly the halfway point. So the easy way to do this, let's say that A was here. How far across is it? How many squares? So I'm going to count from this point C. How many squares do I have to cross? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I was going to come exactly halfway, half of 6 would be 3. So I'm going to come across 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. So if I was coming across, that would be exactly the halfway point. So now I'm going to draw a line until it meets my line. So this here, that point there is the midpoint. It's exactly halfway. I can double check that by seeing if it's exactly halfway up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way up is 8 squares, so halfway up must be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is. So this here is definitely my midpoint, and it's asking me to write the coordinates of the midpoint. So it's already in brackets with the comma, so I just need to go x and y across the corridor and up the stairs. So where is this point on the x-axis? it's at 4. And where is it on the y-axis going up and down? It's at -2. So the coordinates of the midpoint is 4 minus 2, and that will give you 1 mark.